Of course, I get off work and it's like super windy. And it's gonna rain. I just saw lightning. I mean, I still don't have my car, so it's awesome. It's so awesome. I love it. Oh, I'm being blown over. Man, you guys can see just how much I'm getting blown around. Hey, look at those trees. The trees are waving at me. And yeah, that's lightning. That's awesome. That is awesome. I'm going that way too. I could literally just ride on the sides of my tire wall straight. Yeah, look at that. That's really awesome. Nice. Look at that. I'm just getting like pushed around like a rag doll in a dog's mouth. Hey, that's a nice little metaphor. Actually, it's simile. It's a nice little simile. It's like 4th of July over here. Yeah, look at that. Bang, bang, bang. And I can feel it. I can feel the bad rain. Rain, rain. Go, oh man, go away. Go away. Right now. Rain, go away. Please. Rain and wind, go away. Come back when I'm not riding. And it said it was going to be sunny for at least 3 more weeks. I decided to take the long way home because I'd rather not go across a bridge that has like a 90-degree angle. Well, it's raining and windy. Ah! Oh, it hurts. Ow. Please. Make it stop. No. No. Please hurry up and turn green. Thank you, magical stoplight powers. Ah, man. Oh, that was almost bad. Does not hurt, does not help when you have a dress shirt on. Say, dress shirt, dress pants, and well, I got non-slip shoes on, so I'm good. Oh yeah, I'm so good. Oh my god! Ah! Ow! Ow! Stop! Please stop making it. It's nighttime. I don't need any more lightning. Ow! This feels a lot worse than rain. It feels like hail. Like no joke. Ow! This really hurts. Ow! I give up! I give up! I'm just gonna go sit in the gas station. Ugh. I'm just gonna sit here for a little while because it hurts. I'm soaked. This is awesome. Yeah, it's awesome. Wish me luck. It's only supposed to get worse. And yeah, let's do this. Let's get this going. Yep, yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, it's awesome. I'm just amazed right now. Sunny all day, sunny all week, sunny for the next 2 weeks. No chance of rain anytime soon. Pours 10. Alright, see you guys later. Don't ride in the rain. Goodbye.